Hello my lovely crafters! This year I want to decorate my window with paper dolls. So let's see what I can do. I'm going to use poster board, scrapbook paper and printables from my webpage MakePaperDolls.com. You can download it for free, the link you will find in the description. My poster board measures 16 by 11 inches, but I will use centimeters today. I measured 27 centimeters and bend the wall. I make the same with the other side. Now I will glue the walls on a stripe, but first I add a small piece of white paper. And I add more paper to the walls to make them stronger. To the bottom edge I will glue 3 small layers of paper. And also I glue small stripes to add a little dimension. On this wall I plan to make a window, so for now it's empty. For the window I take white paper, measure 15 by 24 centimeters. I put a window view and glue poster board stripes at the edge. I make 3 edges in case I want to change the view in the future. On the edges I glue clear plastic from packaging. Then let's cut other details from printables, glue it on poster board and cut them out. And I glue it one by one on clear plastic. So the window is ready. I glue it in the middle, adding the rest of the white paper and pink stripes on the walls. And now I will check that my room still can fold for easy storage. Let's see what we got. We need curtains. I glue 8 layers of poster board together, then 2 more, then I glue them layer by layer. I forgot that I wanted to change the view of the window, so I attach curtains with poster putty, otherwise I won't be able to take out the image. Now we need fireplace. I make a simple box and glue only one side of it. Make sure it lays flat. I will not glue these parts. Make 3 boxes the same way. Then I take poster board, bend it and glue one side. I take black paper, glue on it printable detail for fireplace, glue it to the back wall and add some more paper for dimension. I made 2 pieces. Now we need 4 more details. I glue one on the lower box, then add a fireplace. Second and third one I glue on my middle box and add it to a fireplace. And for the last one I do the same steps. So fireplace is ready, it's pretty strong, and after holidays I don't need to think where to store it because everything can be folded. Now I will add decorations from my printables. I glue details on foam board for dimension, or it is possible to use cardboard instead. And now I can add everything on my fireplace. Let's make sofa. I make 2 rectangles and I will glue it only on one side. Make sure it lays flat, then glue them together. While waiting to dry, I make another box for the back side. And again, I glue only one side. Then I glue the seat to the back like this. Next, I make the side pieces. And I add 2 more details to the sides of the sofa. Now I need to glue the side pieces to them. The sofa turned out pretty sturdy. I wonder if I could make one like this for my Barbie dolls. I add armrests and cushions. Let's put sofa on its place. Now I glue details of the lights on double-sided foam tape and attach them to the wall. I made 1 more box and I glue a little stand to hold the tree. On the tree I glue second part for the stand and I add decorations from printables with double-sided foam tape. Now I put the tree on a stand and I add pieces of foam board between presents. Tree and presents done, let's decorate the walls. Glue painting on black poster board, cut it out, and I add simple frame for a little bit dimension. So painting's ready, let's put it on the wall. I added more decorations and I printed winter clothes for my dolls. The link for the clothes you will find in the description of this video. So this is it. I really enjoyed making this room. Even though it was my first time doing it, I think it turned out pretty well. The most important thing I like about this room is that the furniture can be folded and I don't need to think about where to store it. And everything made with paper. Okay, not everything, but most part of it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye! Oh, and happy holidays!